It's the weekend and finally feeling like spring here in Cape Town. Now, before I get too lazy, let's have a look at your Saturday and Sunday forecast across South Africa. After a stormy Friday night, things calming down on Saturday morning over the interior of South Africa with light winds. Therefore, we're expecting foggy patches the morning for parts of the Northern Cape, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as here along the west coast, with a weak cold front bringing in coolish conditions for the southwestern coast. Warm the afternoon in the Eastern Cape, very hot over the central and northern areas of South Africa, with thunderstorms stretching here over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest becoming scattered over the Highveld, Limpopo, and Mpumalanga, and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. That's exactly where the South African Weather Service is warning against a few of the thunderstorms becoming severe, resulting in large amounts of small hail or a quick heavy downpour moving over the eastern areas of northwest, the entire Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and large parts of KwaZulu-Natal. So if the sky turns dark, get your car under cover. Yet again, things calming down on Sunday morning. Therefore, we're expecting foggy conditions in the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Limpopo, as well as here in the Western Cape. And then later, we're expecting isolated storms to stretch over the northern and eastern areas of South Africa, becoming scattered in parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Light winds at first over large parts of South Africa, except for over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And due to this weak cold front, we're expecting a west-northwesterly wind to pick up in Cape Town, and the same wind also blowing fresh at times over the interior of the Cape provinces. Similar conditions on Sunday, as mentioned, calm at first, and then later that northwester picking up here in Cape Town and gusting at times, especially in parts of the Karoo. So we can expect rain on Saturday. As mentioned, most of the thunderstorms expected to move over the northeastern areas, becoming scattered over Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. A slim chance of a very light shower falling over the southwestern areas. And then on Sunday, scattered thunderstorms now expected over Limpopo and parts of Mpumalanga, with isolated thunderstorms from the afternoon over northwest Gauteng, large parts of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, and the Eastern Cape. It's only here over the southwestern coast where it's quite coolish on Saturday due to that onshore flow. Temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. Otherwise, it's warm to hot across South Africa this weekend, with maximum temperatures reaching the upper 30s in the dark shade of red in the Northern Cape as well as Limpopo. Extremely hot conditions also now expected over the western interior of South Africa, including the Eastern Cape, upper 30s in parts of the Eastern Cape as well as the Northern Cape. And yet again, extremely hot and uncomfortable in northwest and Limpopo, where heatwave conditions will most likely bake those areas from Sunday into the new work week. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.